Heart to Art, a reading and art summer program with Miss Maura, a partnership with the Field Library. Hi, all my friends from the Field Library. I hope you enjoy making this craft today. If you missed the story on Monday, go back, watch that video first, and then come back and make the craft. All right, have fun. On Monday, we read the story, Same, but Different. And today, we will be creating painted feather masks. These are the supplies you will need. You will need some type of recycled material to create your mask. I will be using 2 juice boxes. You will need a pair of scissors. Make sure you ask an adult before you use scissors. You will need paint. You will need a paintbrush. You will need something to draw with. You will need something for the handle of the mask. I will be using a straw. You will need some tape. These are the steps to create your painted feather mask. You will need to lay out your recycled material flat so you will be able to draw on it. First, you will need to outline for your mask, so make sure it's big enough to fit your face. I made a half circle shape. Then you will need to cut it out. Make sure you ask an adult for help. Next, you're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. Then you will need to cut out the circles. Next, you're going to create feather shapes on the recycled materials, and when you're done, you can cut them out. I created 6 feathers for my mask. Next, you are going to draw and cut out a beak shape for your mask. When you are done cutting everything out, you're going to paint your mask, your feathers, and your beak, however you like. Then you are going to let all of it dry. You can take your beak and you can glue it to your mask. Next, you are going to glue the feathers onto the mask. And lastly, you are going to tape the straw to the back of the mask to use as a handle. Okay, now you're all done. You guys did a great job. Masks look amazing. They are unique and special, just like you. Make sure you come back on Monday for another story.